So you want to have some patience.
All right. See, what is the methodology? See, basically the way software is developed is first the project manager will plan that, okay, I need to hire 2 BAs, I need to hire 3 BAs, or I need to hire 2 developers, and I need to hire 1 tester, so on and so forth. He has a very high level idea what he's going to make, but he still does not know what he's going to make. Then he hires, first thing he does is hires BAs, and the BAs come in and they gather requirements. And then they talk with users, they talk with the target users. So usually the requirement gathering process will go for like month and a half. Okay. Then they design the applications. Usually BAs that will be the ones who will be designing the functional part of the application. So they will basically deliver a document called as functional design document.
Yeah.
So they will make a functional design document, and then after that they will give it to developers. Then developers will not only install Siebel, they will do many things. They will basically first have to configure Siebel, right Mustafa? They'll have to change the things, they have to develop the whole code. If there is any code development that needs to be done, they will do all that. So they will compile the application. After that they will give it to the testers, and testers will test the application. Okay, so typically design process will take another 1.5 months, and development will take another 1.5 months, and testing will take another 1 month or something. So it's like a 5 or 6 months of total time. After they are happy, after testing comes another stage called as production rollout. Okay, so I talked about 2 more stages than what he is written here, but this is the general life cycle model. This is the general life cycle model. Requirements to design to implementation to testing. This is how a software is implemented. And it takes approximately 6 months. I'm trying to give you an idea what a requirements gathering session looks like. You meet with users, you talk to them, you find out what they need. Similarly, the design is you basically make a complete design in a Word document or something. Implementation is you talk to the developers. Developers basically they write the code in that. Just see some 10 developers sitting there or 3 developers sitting there writing the code. In testing part, just see 1 or 2 testers or 3 or 4 testers testing the application and making sure that it's working properly. Then there is a production rollout. So there will be separate testers, there will be separate developers, there will be separate designers, there will be separate requirement gatherings. Sometimes requirement gathering and designing is done by the same guy. Planning is definitely one thing which comes before requirement. Right here somewhere planning will come. Okay, production rollout will come here. So these are the different stages in a software development life cycle. Methodology means methodology is a way of going about gathering requirements. First planning, gathering requirements, then designing, then implementing, then testing, and this thing. With different softwares, with different technologies, the methodology can change. In different companies, the way they work could be different, so their methodology might be different. RUP and Siebel roadmap are the 2 main methodologies used in the Siebel implementations. That's why we're going to discuss that in our this required documents.avi. Okay.